The most influential decision a manager has to make is when they hire new staff. Yet, most managers think that either through intuition or a gut feel, they are successful at the hiring process. Unfortunately, they soon realize that they're having issues with retention, productivity, and engagement. This is because most managers don't consider the hiring process as a business decision, when in fact it is probably one of the key business decisions they ever make. Hello, I'm Dr. David S. Cohen on the teaching faculty at Durham College in Ontario, Canada, and founder of David S. Cohen and Associates. And for 30 years, I have been helping organizations build strong teams by hiring people who are best fit for their organization. The result is low retention, high productivity, high engagement. I will be speaking at the secret recipe. I was speaking on the secret recipe for hiring at the Pakistan Sourcing Summit on December 14, 2018 at the Beach Luxury in Karachi, organized by the Recruiters Pakistan. I look forward to sharing my insights on hiring right the first time and seeing you at the event.